So Python versus Java. Both are most popular programming languages. Both are object-oriented programming languages. Look at that Google Trends, Java versus Python. Java is the faster language, but Python is simpler and easy to learn. Each language is well established, platform independent, and a part of large supportive community. If you are new to programming and you want to learn a beginner-friendly language, Python is the best choice. If you are interested in Android app development or enterprise software or cross-platform development, Java is the best suitable programming language. So the next question is, who earns more, the Java programmers or Python programmers? Python developers earn slightly higher than Java developers. It depends on geographical location, it depends on skills, experience and organization. As there's a lot of demand, industries like machine learning, data science and cyber security, the Python developers earn slightly higher than Java developers. So Java and Python both you can learn without any prior programming knowledge, but it's better to go with C and C++ and then either Java or Python. As we know, in BTech core branches, so both Python and Java are there in the syllabus. And why Java? So it's having third-party libraries, and the most skilled developers are available in the market. We can create a standard programs, even we can go with the reusable code. So we have multi-threaded environment and many other features are available in Java. So why Python is very simple syntax when you compare with Java or C and C++ languages. They have an extensive libraries. So compared with the code of other languages, Python code is very easy to write and debug, as we need less number of statements required to write a program in Python. And we have many other features in Python. So what is the difference between Java and Python? The first parameter is your compilation, as Java is compiled language and Python is an interpreted language. So we have IDE, integrated development, in both the languages, and Python is having IDLE, integrated development learning language. You write a program in Java, you need to compile it in IDE itself. How do you compile? Java C filename.java, and how do you execute? Java class name. So we have two terms, compilation and execution in Java. If you want to work with any small things, you need to write a program in Java. You need to write certain lines of code in Java. Whereas in Python we have a command prompt where we can work with simple commands. Whenever you want to go with the big programs, you need to go to the IDLE and run the programs. We don't use the term compilation in Python. and Java is statically typed. We need to give variable declarations in Java. If I want to use any variable, or if I want to assign a value to any variable, I need to declare it. Int ABC semicolon variable declaration. So once you compare various string operations, so we have many string related functions in Python when you compare with Java, and Python programming is very easy to learn and use as we have simple code in writing programs. So multiple inheritance is not possible in Java, but we use it through interfaces. And every statement in Java must end with semicolon. All the statements must be placed within braces. We need to follow certain rules in C, C++ and Java. So we don't use such things in Python. Python uses indentation to separate code into code blocks. The Java programs run slowly when you compare with Python. So both are portable in nature, means we can run the programs on any platform. For certain operations, we need to write more number of lines in Java, but Python needs only limited number of lines. So we use JVM, Java Virtual Machines, which is the runtime environment to execute the code and which converts a bytecode into machine language. Python uses interpreter, which translates the source code into machine independent bytecode. So Python and Java both are having their own backend frameworks. They have their own machine learning libraries, game development engines. Based on the requirements, various companies are using Java and Python, depends on their requirement. So Java is best for desktop apps, embedded systems and web application services and many more. Python is an excellent one for scientific and numeric computing, machine learning apps and many more. Java offers a stable database connectivity. So look at a code here. If I want to display hello world, I need to use many lines in Java. As we know, each and every program starts with the class and followed by class name and public static void main and braces. But we use single line print hello world. So we don't use semicolon. So there's a mistake here, no semicolon in Python. So in programming languages, so we have a rating by TIOBE. The salaries, the average salary of a Python developer is more than the average salary of Java developer. So have a look at the brief history of Java. Java originally was developed for handling portable devices, and in 1995 Sun Microsystems changed the name to Java as the WWW came into picture. So Python history is developed by Guido van Rossum. So we have a base comparison chart between Java and Python. So look at the features of Java. Simple, object-oriented, secure, platform-independent, and robust in nature, portable, and it has multi-threaded environment, and the performance is very high when you compare with Python. So Python is beginner friendly, interpreted language. It has many standard libraries, and automatic garbage collection is available in Python. So what are the basic disadvantages of Java? We use JIT compiler, which makes the program slow. Java has high memory and processing requirements. It does not provide support to low-level programming constructs like pointers. And disadvantage of Python, it is interpreted, so it's much slower, and it is very weak in mobile computing. And Python is dynamic, so there is a chances of more errors at runtime.